simplify each difference. So on this right here, the key is to distribute the negative. So we're going to take this negative, distribute it, and write it down without any parentheses. So 4k squared minus 5 plus 6k. Now that I'm going to distribute, that'll be a minus 2k squared. Two negatives make a positive. And then a negative times a positive is a negative. So now I have this whole thing without any parentheses. So write down the problem without parentheses. Now then single underline the k squares, double underline your k's, and triple underline your single terms. So I'm going to get three things in my answer unless one of them subtracts to 0. My single underlines are 4 and 2, aren't they? 4 is larger, so the sign's positive. You subtract 4 minus 2 is 2. My letter is k, my exponent's 2. Sign, number, letter, exponent. My double underlines are 6 and 2, aren't they? 6 is larger, so the sign's going to be positive. 6 plus 2 is 8, so my sign's positive. My number's 8, my letter's k. I don't have an exponent. Sign, number, letter. Lastly, the triple underlines are 5 and 2. I have more 5s than I do 2s. My 5 is negative, so the sign will be negative. Negative 5 minus 2, you add because the signs are the same. You have 7 negatives, don't you? So minus 7. Sign and number. That's the answer. Oh, what a blast. Okay, on this one, we'll distribute our negative. So we'll have 7n cubed plus 1n squared. I'm going to put the 1 so I don't forget it. Plus 7. And then minus 7n cubed. Two negatives make a positive. And a negative times a positive is a negative. So now I'm going to go through and underline. So I'm going to single underline my largest exponents, double underline my next largest exponents, triple underline the n, and quadruple underline the 7. Now then, look at your single underline. 7 minus 7 is 0 in it, so the single underlines cancel out. My double underline is 1 and 5. 5 is larger than 1, so my sign's going to be negative. And 1 minus 5, go back to 6th grade. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Already got my negative. My letter's n and my exponent's 2. Sign, number, letter, exponent. My triple underline's 12n. That's the only triple underline I have, don't I? Or 2n. So that's a minus 2. Ooh, that's not an n there. Sorry about that. So these should be triple underline. So I'm going to group the 7 and 2. I'm sorry about that. So 7 plus 2 is going to be 9. So plus 9. So negative 4n squared plus 9 will be the answer.